Now I'm going to show you how to use sweep feature that follows the path and use a specified twist value on your sweep feature. For doing that, we're gonna design a Twizzler. So I'm gonna start with my top plane, where I'm gonna draw the my Twizzler path. So I select the sketch and just a spline. So normally this curve would do. I press escape to accept that. I need to a perpendicular plane. So if I come to my feature and look for reference geometry, you will not see the perpendicular plane. That is because you have to turn off the you have to exit the sketch, come to feature and reference geometry. Now you'll see to create the plane. Now what I'm gonna do is that select that curve, and then it is creating a parallel covering the curve. So what I need to select perpendicular. So it created the perpendicular plane. The plane may be at any point on the curve, so you can have a second reference that you can select that point, and it will be perpendicular to the path of the curve. So I did that and I say accept. Now what I'm gonna do is that draw the path or the shape of the Twizzler all along that plane. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is make it 3D and select sketch and polygon and draw a polygon at that point. I can rotate a little bit. Okay, that's better. So I select polygon and select my point to draw the polygon. I can be any shape polygon, and then I zoom in and select the circle to change the shape. It says 18 millimeter because my scale down here is in millimeter. So I can choose 12, whatever dimension you want. It will be shaped accordingly. And then I select the shape. And for Twizzler, there is a hollow path inside. For that, I need another circle, another point, and I created circle. It says 5. You can choose any number. I'm doing 6. So that's that. And then I say yes. Now I do not need the outer circles. I get rid of that. So this will be the path of my Twizzler. You can add built-up edge on those corners to make it perfect, but that will do for now. So I do exit sketch, and I'll go to feature, and now I'm gonna go to the sweep boss base. It is asking for a sketch profile to select. If you put your pointer on the drawing, you'll see it is asking only for one curve. So what I'm doing is that I'm selecting my circle, and then now it's asking for a path that it will follow. So I select this path, and now it's creating a Twizzler which is not twisting, right? So that's the main part. I have to come to here on the option, and I have to select follow path profile twist. It is selected by default as none. I have to select a specified twist value. You can choose other options. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna give it a 360-degree value, so it will have towards the end 360-degree rotation. You can put any other degree that you want. So I did that, and I did yes, and now it did the twist for me.